Hey guys, welcome back. It's a good day today because we've passed 500 subscribers. I didn't really start YouTube because I wanted subscribers. I started because I'm an extreme introvert and I wanted to put myself out of my comfort zone. And unlike some other YouTubers, I don't upload on a regular schedule because I have a full-time job and two little ones. So YouTube is not a priority for me and I upload videos whenever I can. But despite all that, I appreciate you guys subscribing, and as a token of appreciation, I wanted to do my second giveaway. Now I'm gonna get to the bad news first, which is that this giveaway is limited to the 48 continental US states. At this point in the channel, it gets too complicated outside of that, so that's what I decided on. So I'm sorry if this does not include you. I was reached out by another YouTuber. His channel is called Low Jack Standards, and he printed 3 of these 3D cup holders for the NG93s. I don't have an NG93 anymore, but I know that another good cup holder adds a lot to that car. They replaced the blank handle on the center console. Anyway, he's a really cool guy and he also posts Saab content among lots of other cool cars, so be sure to go over there and give him a sub. So most importantly, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Low Jack Standards, and leave a comment down below on this video. It can be literally anything, but I would prefer if you gave some feedback on what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, what you want to see in the future of this channel. The giveaway ends in 2 weeks and I'll be using a random comment picker to select 3 random comments. Then I'll reply on the YouTube comment with my Instagram handle, where you can send me a DM of your address. It's a little complicated, but I just want to make sure that you're not giving out your address to scammers. So comment away, good luck, and once again, thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.